Patients relying on Kaiser Permanente for their health care could see disruptions tomorrow. This is 75,000 unionized Kaiser employees are prepared to walk off their jobs for 3 days. KTVU South Bay reporter Jesse Gary live tonight from South San Jose with more on the story. Jesse, good evening.
Mike, good evening to you. Three issues initially separated the two sides. Now there is one issue, staffing. Unfortunately, there's been no movement on that issue, and union members say a strike tomorrow is a certainty.
Kaiser has not, the executives have not listened to the frontline members, the frontline employees about this staffing crisis. And until they can, come to the table at good faith and bargain with the rank and file members regarding the staffing crisis, we will not, it will not turn. We will be striking tomorrow.
Union negotiator Angela Glasper says the saber rattling we've seen in the past will become workers walking off their jobs Wednesday. The lone issue separating Kaiser Permanente and its union workers, staffing. Union members say patients usually wait 3 to 6 months for routine appointments. The two sides had been at odds over pay, staffing levels, and retention of workers for several years, but COVID-19 worsened the situation.
Me, myself, had an appointment to get an exam I was being tested for something serious. It took me 6 months to get that exam done. So you can imagine what the patients are going through.
75,000 union workers across the country are preparing to walk off their jobs for 3 days, starting Wednesday.
Certainly the hospitals will attempt to hire replacement workers, as they often do during nurses' strikes, but it's unlikely they'll find enough people to cover such a large number of states and a large number of workers that are on strike.
Kaiser officials declined to comment about the negotiations or possibility of a strike or settlement. In a statement from Monday, they say, a strike is not inevitable and it is certainly not justified. Our goal is to reach a fair and equitable agreement that strengthens Kaiser Permanente as the best place to work and ensures that the high-quality care our members expect from us remains affordable and easy to access. Those words are cold comfort for workers such as Angela Glasper, who's been with Kaiser for 35 years. But now she's conflicted by a paradox. In order to get her patients the quality care they need, she says not showing up for work is the best option.
We've been complaining about staffing for years now. This is not something that just came about. It's been years since we had proper staffing.
The strike would start tomorrow morning, and it could go for 3 days or longer, or shorter if there's a settlement. We're live in South San Jose this evening. Jesse Gary, KTVU, Fox 2 News. Mike, back up to you in Oakland.
All right, Jesse, thank you.